Grwm because today is my national YouTube channel anniversary day. Yep, like today marks 4 years on this day. Today's plan is we're gonna just talk about my experiences of what's making me want to become a YouTube star, and also my college experiences since I'm now in college, but it is my 6th semester. Currently almost done because once the spring semester is over, then I got 2 more to go before I graduate, because I need to find out if I have enough credits so I can graduate on time. I have never posted anything on February the 5th. Like, after I started it, probably a year or two of after I started my YouTube career. No, my YouTube career as a YouTube star is I started my main YouTube channel as a YouTube career just a year before I started my music career and started composing my own songs. That's what I want to do. But first, I just want to talk about the evolution of my YouTube career, talk about my college experiences and things like that. If you want, maybe I can just do like a little free session for me to perform medley of my original hits that I compose, especially my new song called Dark Romance. If you guys want, just let me know in the comments. Like, I want to do like want to chat with you all at the beginning, and then in the middle, if I want to talk more about my music career, my YouTube career, that's fine. And then towards the end of the video for my national YouTube channel anniversary day, we can just do like a session where I'm performing when I wanted to perform medley of my original hits. This is gonna be so much fun. I have never posted anything on February the 5th, but after I started it to become a YouTube star, so now this is my first time I'm gonna post a video to celebrate my anniversary of my YouTube career. This is gonna be fun. You guys are gonna make my day even better. I almost forgot to mention, I definitely wanted to post like photo shoots on Instagram and to TikTok, and if I want to post it on YouTube as well, go ahead and do it. But through my community tab, I want to do photo shoots for my YouTube channel / career anniversary day. If I want, at the end of the video, where if I want to perform medley of my hits, I don't have to perform all the songs that I have released in the past. I can perform at least 1 or 2 or 3, that's fine. Even 4, that's good. I wanted to show you guys whatever songs I could post. That's okay with that? I think I want to do like a deep purple look, so I want to just go with these 2 colors. I'm gonna go with this beautiful fuchsia purple color from this palette. I'm gonna go with this color, but it's like a glitter color. This is called Lovebirds. This is like a glittery fuchsia purple. Did my lashes. And for today's look, for today's lips. I'm just gonna go with this purple lipstick. And let's use this dark pink lipstick. Just gonna mix two colors to match the blouse I'm wearing. Alright guys, so this is the final makeup look and this is a final hair as well. This is all wavy. I put braids on for at least an hour or two. I lasted for at least an hour or two to make my hair look all wavy. So it's pretty cool. Love this hair look. Alright, so thanks for watching this video and wish me a happy 4 years of my YouTube career. Bye!